You know the whole song, bro? You're bugging.
I was just trying to learn different languages, so that song came up somehow.
Somehow?
Yeah, bro.
Magically appeared to your mind, huh? How's everybody doing on Discord, man? We didn't trade live today on for New York because I didn't find shit. Honestly, I woke up, I was like, you know what? Why am I forcing this? Let me just, close up for the day. I'm gonna go work on maybe revamping the whole thing for you guys, and then yeah, just made that video. I just uploaded it right now, so for anybody, it did upload just now.
Oh, what the fuck did I just do?
What did you just do?
Why did I join the vid?
W.
I went to click on Discord message.
If it's meant to be, then it will be.
Como. He probably told me.
We'll just post on general chat real quick at everyone. Oh shit, that's Hector. Live on TikTok and YT and Discord right now. Okay, so we have a nice 2 up on the 30-minute time frame. Deep consolidation right now so far on the hourly 4-hour time frame is a failed 2 down so far. Still see us pushing bearish a little bit more than this towards lower day. Insane weakness on gold already right off the bat, but we just kind of gotta wait for now and see what we can do. On a new PA, how many contracts would you recommend? So I'm gonna be honest, this account has maybe like 1800 worth of drawdown, so I'll be risking 180 to make back, or yeah, 180 to make back like $500 on each trade maximum per position. And I won't be trading on GC, I'll be doing MGC instead. So you'll see me like adding more contracts, etc. But I'll probably not try to top tick and bottom tick moves on this account because I'm gonna be playing it more passive. But yeah, we have a 3 over here. Let's see the spot information if it could play out nicely here. Do we have bond formations on the higher time frames? Hold on. Nah, that's not a bond formation. Never mind. Yeah, so we just gotta wait for now. We gotta see what we can catch. We gotta be patient for now, boys. Gotta be patient for now. Yeah, I turn on my camera on Discord for you guys too. TikTok ain't special. See? NGC shorts? Not yet. It's so dark in my room though. That's how Z likes it. Yeah, we just kind of gotta wait for now. 30 more minutes till this hourly closes up, and then 4 hour is wow. Is a fat wow. Probably gonna try out shorts here shortly. I do want to see some kind of direction towards the downside. It is very bearish. Target that 4-hour low, the same low that we've already had, which is down here. Would be awesome. You did? Yeah, I mean if we can get moved down here, let me see that. Alright, I'm gonna try out shorts here, guys. I guess one more contract will not hurt. Stops above this high. Okay, I guess another contract I could add because I really want to target this low. That's 169. Oh my god, it's just flushing though. Oh well. How many contracts do I need to buy into to get this move down? 5? What is this? I don't want to risk so much because this account is fairly small. I don't want to risk too much on this account, yo. But if it just wants to go ahead and just do this, then If I can get filled with more cells here, I'll put maybe like 3 more cells here. I'll book 200 on this though. Minimum 200. What am I supposed to do with freaking... I don't even know what this is, but yeah. If we can get a bearish move down to these lows, break past these lows, push a 2 down again, it would be nice. We just have to wait. Whose background noise is that? Z, there's background. Puppy. I don't want to see a high day break. Yeah, I don't want to see a high day break, to be honest. So 92, if I add 3 more up here, it would be about like 180. Yeah, it'd be like about $180 loss for a $300 TP. I'm not risking heavy because I don't want to blow the account. That's obviously the reason why. Take profit price is below the low, so it's 33772. Long, you're so cool, man. You're such a cool kid user. Oh, shorts, buddy.
Oh wow, he has the camera on.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, is it gonna fill us? Is it gonna fill me? Take 2 trades on this account. If I take a $400 losing day, then I will not be trading this more than that. Can it fill us here? It would be awesome. That would be beautiful. No?
My ex is actually so goated, bro.
Well.
You that long ago. Fucker's telling me this is too short, bro.
Bro, I want to add more to this position. But looks like I'm going to have to take a risk a little bit heavier on this. Okay. I really want to have like a better fill on this if we can get up here, because I really want to target these lows. But if it doesn't, then oh well. I'll probably just sit and wait. I don't want to like... Yeah, I don't want to get in with more unless we get that move down. I don't know. Just kind of wait for now. Because we are bearish on this for the 4 hour too. Hourly is nice. Oh man. Inside on the hourly right now. Massive. Hold on, where's this? This would be the next magnet down here. Yeah. What I'll do is I'll risk, you know, I really want to fill in more, but I guess what I'll do is just have a tighter SL and just, you know, or a looser SL and just wait for this. I'm going all the way down to here.
Are you on GC or?
MGC. Yeah. If I can get filled more, then I will target like this low to be taken out. But if I don't get filled with more, then nah. I need to move this a little bit more here. And Q looks good for shorts too, you said?
Look at the third. Look at inside bar. One. After a strong move. On the breakdown.
You're gonna blow your account. I love how TikTok is so, you know, so good. Look, you got Hanji. He just joins in to legit just hate. He is born a hater. He joins in to just say like hateful comments. He has not said anything good. Gotta love it. Yeah, if it fills me here with a little bit more, I would love to add more to the position, but I mean, here we are. Do I see a 3 on the 15? No. Why is it just frozen right now? It's just thinking about life. Do want to have a little bit more, but if I get filled in with 4 more, I might just target these lows. Like I might just target a lower low over here. Would be awesome. But if we don't, then I want to hold this down. For now. Okay. Here maybe fills me. Maybe it fills me. Maybe it fills me here. Yes. Maybe it fills here. Go ahead. Go ahead, GC. No? Oh well. Oh well. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, that would turn the 5 into a 3 bar. Hold on. We don't want to see that, actually. Yeah, I might just add more to the position here, to be honest. Oh, okay. Or that. Yeah. I'm being indecisive right now. Sorry, guys. Because I really like shorts. But do I want to see it do this? We have an hourly inside. Let's draw out the mother bar's range real quick. That's the low of the mother bar and that's the high of the mother bar. So let's draw that out real quick and then we drop down back down here. Yeah, I want to see it 2 down on this hourly. Would be awesome. Would be amazing actually. Since you accidentally entered too light, you're targeting lower probability and for higher. Yeah, like I would, of course, if you guys are in this a little bit heavier than I am, target these lows to be taken out. But for me, I'm just gonna hold it till 500. The idea is I was trying to risk like 98 or 180 for 500 for something like that, but here we are. I mean, risking $92 to make back 500, sorry. Unless this hourly closes extremely bearish. If it does, then I'll add more definitely to my position. I'll 1000% add more. So it just depends on what the hourly wants to do. How many lots? This is futures, man. I don't trade Forex, but lots, I don't even know what lots would this be. Can I, if I, oh God, what if I put this? I don't know if this will ban me if I put that there. Let me try that. Boom. How is everybody on YouTube? Sometimes I accidentally enter too late. Yeah, I could add more to the position. I don't mind that, but if it gives me a move up, I gotta see what kind of move up we get before I add more, because we do have a inside bar right here. I mean, it is a little bit riskier than a normal position would be. 4 hour is bearish, so it did break an inside. Oh wow, it broke an inside 2 down on the 4 hour time frame too, man. All right. I'm gonna add more to my position here if I can, maybe, yeah. All right, I'm gonna add 5 more here. Take on a heavier hit from this if we do, and I'll just book 1,000 on this because I'm really liking the shorts here. That's 1,100, so I need 1,000, which is right over here. 4 hour broke a 2 down. Yeah, I mean, I want to see that continue. Be awesome. 4 hour broke a 2 down on the inside bar right here. Rejected. You know, we should push down to these lows first. But yeah, we should continue plummeting to these lows, obviously. But would I be holding all the way there? No. Hell no, I'm good. I don't want to see us come back up, test out these highs. If we do, then I'm going to be out immediately, so. Take 2 trades for the day, and that's it. What would be a 1 to 3 would be down to here, a 1 to 3. So, it'd be down to here. Okay. That's valid. Inside on the hourly. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. All the time frames are telling me bearish, so I do want to enter in this and see what we can catch. GC would be nice for a shorts play here. Just concerned of this. $30 minutes is inside 2. Hourly has about 16 more minutes till it closes. Want to see it break it 2 down would be awesome, but yeah, we just kind of gotta wait for now. Hourly 2 down would be down here. Yeah, be awesome. That was our original entry. Yeah, just wait. Oh my god. I'll take 2 trades. Max I'll lose on the day is like maybe $500 or $600 today, and that's it. I just really do like this. Like, this would be considered a plus if we had New York volatility. This would be considered an A plus because we did break. Basically, we have a 4 hour inside, broke a 2 down. We have our stops above that 4 hour, just where we usually have our stop losses at. We have a hourly that's still inside right now. I want to see us continue breaking, pushing at 2 down would be awesome on this hourly. 30 minutes is still inside, obviously it's still giving us that bearish move down. I want to see that bearish continuation. 15 minutes is breaking at 2 down as well. So all the different time frames are telling me bears. Let's see if we can play that. Wow, we would have gotten filled right here, by the way. See, if we were just a little bit more patient. If we were just a little bit more patient. $15 closed as a failed 2 down. I don't like that. Yeah. Come on, gold. What we doing? What we doing, gold? Go up, stop us, and then reject. Seriously? 388 before reversal. You think so? Hourly, I don't want to see it as a 2 up, to be honest. If it breaks 388, then I don't like that at all. If anything, I want to see us pushing 2 downs, but this is nice buyback right here on gold. Wow. Oh well. I really don't want to see 388. Alicia, that would be bad. Break it 2 up on the hourly. I don't like that. If we have this breaking it 2 down, I'll probably add more here. If it does. If it doesn't, looks like it's not. It looks like it's gonna break it 2 up actually. Stops me, I'm still interested in shorts because of this 4 hour, but you know, obviously I don't want to have my stops all the way up here. That's a little too much. Not willing to take that heavy of a hit. I'll take a hit, but just not that heavy. I'm good. There's a 2 down. Yeah, I'll add 3 more here. I'll add 3 more here. Yeah, if it breaks a 2 up on the hourly, I want to be out. That's the only thing I would get stopped out on, is if it breaks a 2 up on the hourly. That would get me out. Other than that, I really want to see the 4 hour. First of all, the hourly low gets hit. After that, I want to see us continue plummeting down. So even if we target these lows, that would be still like a $500 move, but I'm not. I'm going to take it out maybe like 500 or 1,000. I mean, sorry.
That buyback was
Insane, yeah. Yeah, this is insane, yeah.
I mean, we still have what, 10 more minutes till hour close?
Yeah, if it breaks a 2 up, I'm out. What could be annoying is like it breaks a 2 up and then it just rejects. That'll be fucking man. But yeah, I have this. That's the idea behind this. I like it. I like it for shorts.
Yeah, this next 15.
Can we see what gold wants to do here?
I look, got a nice entry on this.
Let's see.
The only bad thing about this trade is NQ looks like it wants to dump its Philippines.
NQ.
Yeah. We broke literally 3 down, back up, now it pushes down. They have an inside bar on 30 still.
We'll see. We'll see how it does. If NQ and GC are moving the same, that'd be a little concerning. What the fuck is that open? Breaks the 2 up on the hourly, I'm out. So breaks this high, pushes up, I'm out. I am out of this position. We have a 3-minute inside, 5 minutes still inside, breaks the 2 up, we're fucked. I'm not gonna lie. Nice rejections here on gold.
Yeah, bro. NQ and GC are moving the same. Wish I had the same strong, but
If it closes,
There's a
hmm?
there's a gap on NQ to the downside, so it's probably gonna push down to fill that gap.
Gap down on NQ. 3 minute just broke a 2 down. Kind of consolidating in the same range right here. Not liking that. I want to see us continue to flush here, but we have to be patient. Alright, I'm going to add 2 more here.
Order filled.
This 5 minute right here, this could take us out. Breaks the 2 up, we could be out. Here, I'll draw it out. Breaks the 2 up, we would get out, and then it would probably consolidate for a little bit, then push back down. It would be annoying as hell, but I wouldn't want to be in this. If it does. If it does do that, I don't want to be in this mess. The aggression from sellers is there, so I want to see follow through, but yeah, we just kind of gotta wait. Secure 1,000, which is right here. We could target that 4-hour low, but yeah, I don't know about that one, Chief. Another inside on the 1 minute. This 5 minute is inside, so hella weak 5 too. Let's see a 2 down on this 5, or a 2 up, which would take us out. Move 0 ticks, yeah, move nowhere. The 5 minute, yeah, it moved nowhere. Yeah, breaks the 2 up, we're out. I'm telling you right now. Breaks the 2 up, it's gonna push back up to these highs. Would be annoying as hell, I'm not gonna lie. I would be like, what the why? But the market, what a market wants to do, it wants to do. You can't control it, no one can control it.
yeah, this volume, we're about to get 4 hours, which is close.
Let's see it. What are we doing, yo? Why is it just frozen? Gold is scaring me. I'm scared. Do something. You're being a little scary, gold. Is it going for it? The 5-minute low right here? And okay. Can we get that rejection? There it is. Hourly low. I'll probably sell majority over here, so I'll add 2 more and I'll sell majority over here. So I'll sell 10 over here and I will sell 2 again over here. Same thing. And I'll hold the rest 2 down to these lows. I want to see the 4-hour low too. So I want to see this. And where's the 4-hour low? Damn, what is that wick? All the way down there. Damn. I am not holding all the way there. What the hell? Over here is more than enough, bro. No way. Alright, broke a 2 down here on the 5. Let's see if we could follow through. Alright, and hourly is closing in 1 more minute. This is the last minute for the hourly. Here it goes. The truth. And 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. It's new hourly. This is the volatility we've been waiting for. Are we fucking kidding me? What is this hourly? Alright. Inside bar high is over there. And we have our stops at the mother bars high, so inside bars lows right there. We are just patiently waiting. I want to see an inside bar break. Push 2 down. Pushes down to the 4-hour lows would be awesome, but yeah, we just gotta wait for now. Struggling breaking past this, so it's kind of a little annoying, but yeah. Breaks the inside bars highs, which is right here. Pushes the 2 up. We are out immediately. So. What's the reason behind it? Like I said, inside bar right here on the hourly. We have inside that broke 2 down on the 4-hour time frame. I want to see us continue pushing down, not pushing up. That's the main reason why I want to take this as an entry, to be honest. Other than that, that's the only reason. So consolidation, break to downside on the 4-hour. We have a consolidation on the 1-hour time frame I want to see a rejection from, because we are pushing bearish on the 4-hour time frame. So I want to see us continue that plummet down on gold, but we could easily reject back up here. Push high a day, basically, we're out. I just hate this consolidation that we're in right now. It's a little annoying. If there's no follow through on this break, then I really don't expect much from gold right here other than just pushing it 2 down on this 15. So yeah, let's see. This is our entry, literally our entry point. The highs is right there, so yeah, it's like I want to see that rejection. What the hell is this? Yeah, so I want to see that rejection come in, but so far nothing. So far nada. Just make sure you're protected with your stop loss, obviously. Don't risk too heavy. Don't be in too much with too many contracts. Of course, manage your risk. For me, 500 is fine. I have other Express accounts I could trade. Even after this, I could trade another Express. That's fine. I could trade the same Express and I'm still fine. But yeah, just make sure you're not as heavy. But yeah. Broke a 5 to up. Is it gonna break the 15, which means we'll break the hourly? E. Close to stop loss here. And oh, are we out? Buying, a lot of buying here, so I'm expected to get stopped, to be honest, since we broke that 5 minute high. So I expect to be stopped here, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I expect to be stopped. Hold on, I'm getting my door knocked. Yeah, I expect to be stopped here. If anything, I expect to be stopped because we broke that 5 minute high, so yeah. The fuck is this gold? Did we break the hourly to up? We didn't. We did not break an hourly to up. Interesting. The fuck is going on? We're just patiently waiting. We're just patiently waiting.
By the way, I'm in AQ shorts and NGC shorts, which is
What the hell?
very stupid, but like NQ shorts has been looking good to me for a while.
This 15-minute broke a 2 up for us to push like this. I don't understand it. I'm expecting to be stopped on this position, but again, I can't do anything except for just stop loss or take profit. I'm not gonna be, the kind of person that just impulsively takes profits or gets stopped out of a position. It's either stop loss or take profit. That would either invalidate my setup, which is right here at the top of this hourly, or it would validate it by pushing a 2 down on this hourly time frame, which is right here, and then continue plummeting down for that 4-hour low. So that's the only reason why I haven't cut it. But if you guys feel like cutting it here, cut it. Yeah. Personally, I just like to have stop loss or TP. So yeah. Where would be $1,000? Let's see, like 1,100 would be like right here. So a little bit below that. I guess right here is fine. Yeah, right here is fine. Okay. Mo, where's your stop and TP? Someone asked.
Stop is where stop the 3387, and then my OTP is there. But I'm gonna take it that way. We talk about NQ. Oh, on NQ, my stops are 21905, and then OTP just that gap, that 5-minute gap is 21733.50.
What are we doing, gold?
Come on, let's see more about Millen. Okay, I might get stopped at NQ if we break this 205.
How is NQ moving? It's bullish.
And I'm stopped at NQ, by the way. Not a big loss.
I really want to see that compound effect on gold where we push a 2 down on this inside, push another 2 down over here, and then it'll be awesome, like to just keep flushing. But the volatility would come in, obviously it would be nice. So far, not enough volume.
Like, NQ's pushing up. Like, right?
Yeah, GC has this periods of consolidation, then it moves, then a period of consolidation, then it moves, and it has that as a habit. So it's like it's a little annoying, but yeah, I just kind of have to wait. Again, I have to respect my levels. So if you guys feel like exiting the trade now, for you to take that smaller loss and exit the trade, personally, I just have to respect my levels. If I get stopped out on this move because of my level being hit, then I get it. I'll take that hit and move on. But if my stop loss level is not hit, then I'm just not going to take that off, obviously. But do as you please, do as you want to do. Don't be greedy. Don't forget, this is the market. It doesn't care about your feelings or anything like that. So we have another 5 inside. That's the high of it. And then the low would be 40, 80, 84. 84 would be right here, right? Yeah, 84.5. Okay. Yeah, the market doesn't care about anybody's feelings. It cares about itself only. For anybody that wants to see where my top loss, take profit, all of these things are at, go on YouTube. You'll see those a lot cleaner and a lot better. I'm live on there too. What the hell? Just got a message. Come on, NQ. What we do? I mean, GC. What we doing? Why are you moving up when NQ's moving up? Don't make sense. Is that open? Gold, what are you doing? Pick. What are we doing? The setup is there for me to go down, okay? The setup for me is to go down. It's not to go up. But what the fuck is gold doing? Oh my god. We break past this, we flush down. There we fucking go. Flush. Make the call, Turbo. We know. I don't know anyone within those names. Come on, what are you doing? Well, I hate this consolidation. Again, if you feel like exiting now, exit the position now. We're literally at $19 loss. Oh, profit here, actually. Exit the position now if you feel like exiting. Personally, again, I have to respect my levels, but yeah. If you feel like exiting, exit now. Feel free to do so. Just take the L and move on. It's a smaller, like literally tiny hit right here. If you don't feel happy with the volatility or the setup, then, you know, exit now. Cut yourself out that risk. Personally, I'll hold.
Personally, I'm up $60 right now.
W's.
Tired.
That's a nice Happy Meal and a Top Step account right there. That's not a nice buyback right there. That's not a nice buyback. Yeah, I mean, this is solid. Just see that continuation to push. Come on. Yeah, if you want to get out, exit now. Feel free to do that. I'm personally, again, I have to respect the levels that I have. This went from an A setup to like maybe a C minus, something like that, I would say. So, but I do have to respect the levels that I have on the screen. I can't just, you know, exit because I feel it. I want to put my thing like this because it feels a little bit cleaner. Yeah, you guys can see it's still on. Oh, hell no. Why is it doing that? What are we doing, bro? Doji on the 15 over here. Z, I'm not sure. Z, are you in anything? I think he's still at the gym. Are you in any trade right now?
No. Nothing looks good, honestly.
Yeah. $15 is a doji. 30 minutes is closing in 15 more minutes. And hourly is just brand new but slow as hell. And, you know, just kind of waiting for now. Gold could either stop me or move up here. And this is like literally choppy as shit right now. This is like the choppiest PA I've ever had to see through. Okay, half follow through. Look at that. Boring. And then a wick right back up. Ah! We're going to be here for the next 5 years, guys. In this trade. We're going to have to swing trade at this point. TP1 would be here. Can we get follow through? I have no emotions in this trade. All my emotions are gone. I'm sorry, like, I'm exhausted because of this price action already. Broke 15 doji? Let's see. Again, if you don't feel happy with the trade, exit now, exit now, exit now. Don't want to hear account blown or anything like that. If the trade goes to stop loss, reduce risk, do something. Just make sure you're happy with the amount that you're risking. You're okay with the amount that you're risking. Oh, we're just patiently waiting now.
Can we just get a Drake candle to the downside, bro?
Imagine we get a Drake candle to the top side now that you say that.
Might as well just start recording.
No, don't start recording. Anything is possible if you put your mind to it. I love how we're just waiting right now. Okay.
What is that buyback?
Yeah, it's a small sell and an immediate buyback, and then it's a small sell and it's an immediate buyback. It's kind of annoying. If it doesn't reject here in the next like 30 minutes, I'll probably move my stops either tighter or just exit the full position, take that smaller L and just move on. Because it's literally annoying as hell. But if it doesn't like trace back down to these lows, break these lows, I'm not gonna stand this. I'm in 15 MGC.
What's
Yeah.
full TP,
3369.8. I still see it going down to the 4-hour low, but you know. Oh, full take profit. I mean, with all contracts being involved, I'm saying maybe like 1500 total. Maybe a little bit less actually, maybe like 1300. Blue 5XFA, you'll be here, mom. Turbo, you have an IG SRT XTA. Completely forgot about this. Let me go ahead and pop this open over here for the chat. I don't even know how to do the TikTok chat anymore to pop it open because this is a new update. We're just patiently waiting. I'll watch the 5-minute time frame instead of the 1 minute. It's kind of annoying. Gold, what we doing? You broke a 15-2 down. So this goes away. That also goes away. And then 30 more minutes. Oh, we have a 30-minute inside that broke a 2 up, by the way. What the fuck? Okay. Weird. This is the weirdest price action I've ever fucking seen, bro. This is the slowest and the weirdest I have ever seen. I'm still not happy with this. Like, until we break this low, break a 2 down on an hourly, okay. Whatever you say, bro. Bro, CRT sometimes work. Don't do this. I don't trade CRT, bro. That's the IG. You don't know CRT. I don't want to know CRT. I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, that's why I was ignoring TikTok chat because of how toxic it is. Thank you. I'll move on to YouTube. What time do you start trading Asia? Really like 8 around that time. To add a stop loss is to sell position. Is that a buy stop? So this right here is a limit buy. This means I'll buy back some of my position because I'm selling right now, right? So I'll buy back majority of my positions here, and then hold the rest down to here. And then for stop loss, you're putting a buy order as well. So you could buy back 15 contracts here, and it's the same thing as a stop loss, pretty much. It's pretty much the same thing, so yeah. Amazing follow through so far, by the way. Beautiful follow through. I'm so like bored of. I mean, I love having fun right now. Like it's so fun to watch this price action. Yeah. Now the moment I switch from gold, if I take this out, it's gonna reject so fucking bad. That's what I. That's.
If you take it out, everybody else will stay in.
No. This might take more than 4 hours, bro. This might take a fat minute for it to play out. I did upload the video though. If you guys wanna, go watch the video, something, feel free to do that. And none of that is important. Oh man, what are we doing, gold? What are we doing, bro? Some of the slowest. I mean, look at the sell that we have. Look at the sell, and no movement whatsoever, bro. It's so weird how PA is right now. But it's like a massive sell. Look at this. Look at this. Look. And still barely any freaking movement. Still not enough. Okay. Till it breaks this inside bar, I'm not happy with this position, man. Really not. I'm gonna be honest.
We also might come down this far and just push back up. Continue going higher. Look at the third. 30's done this. Might be the third time.
30's in, huh? 30's in 5 more minutes or 3 more minutes and it closes. This last 5 minute right here basically closes. Okay, I see. So, do we have a 3 bar on the 30? That's gonna be insane. I don't like that. I'm just trying to see if this 30 will break it 2 down or not. So far, no. Don't do it. Last 3 minutes. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't break it inside 3. Do not break inside 3.
You don't want it to break?
No, not 3. No. I don't want that. I just want continuing twos. If it breaks a 3, that's not good. Guys, if you guys want to exit the trade, feel free to do that now. Like, you know, trim some out, do something. Just reduce your risk on this position if you're in a heavy position, obviously. Really, there's no specific time on when I go trade late Asia. I just kind of announce it on Discord. Just get on. Okay. Don't do it. Don't do it. You could stay over here. Just don't do it. No, don't. Don't fucking do it. 1 more minute, yo. Don't fucking do it. Yeah, I'll just put this and I'll just type 32D. I'll put this as hourly. Where is it? Inside. And I'll put this right here. There we go. This would be magnet or target 1. This is ideally target 1 where you want to be putting your profits at, but looking for that bigger move. Don't do it. 1 more minute. Don't fucking do it, yo. This new 30 is going to reject so fucking bad, yo. That's what I want to see. Like, I want to see the next 30 pop open and reject. Not this 30. Not this one. Just the next 30 is fine with me. Just not this one right here. No. 3 more minutes on this 30 to close. Yep, basically. I'm gonna go get another college degree, and this trade is still playing out, or not. Probably not even playing out.
I'm gonna go get beat.
Beat what?
Okay, go beat a good guy.
Oh, okay.
You're live still. I'm not trying to see.
Okay, there's a new 30. Break a 2 down and flush. That is the 32 down right here. Come on, break it. Nope. Break it, you whore.
If this trade bangs, can we hop on Omegle?
Yeah. If it doesn't, I'm gonna go cry in the corner. It's been a fat minute since we've been in this trade. He knows, Echo knows. Oh no, it's called Monkey now, the app. They changed the name for it. We have a fair value gapped area gap forming on the 1 minute time frame. It's a very valuable fair value area gapped valuable. Such a fair valuable gap.
Just tap the order block. See rejection on this.
What would be the profits if we secure it here at this target? 700? Do I want to do that? Fuck it, we'll just secure it here, bro. This is gonna take 10 years, so I'll just secure it here, guys. Like, as in like this low. Because this is gonna take forever. So watch this. I'm still working on like the design of how I want to be sending out the watch list. So it's gonna be just like stocks I'm watching and like setups that you guys can take, etc. Posting like there every night. Posting a setup or 2 on there. so you guys can have that. But it would be nice. I think it would be cool. I really want to secure 1,000 on this trade, but I mean, I'll just take it off here. If it wants to reject here, it would be awesome. Any minute now, gold want to reject. You could reject. You know, you could give us that bearish move down. Be awesome. Would be greatly appreciated, dude. Come on. You're gonna tell me you're gonna fucking do this the whole fucking time, bro? Or are we? What are we doing? Are we kids? What are my 10? How much cash would be a good amount to start with Robinhood? Only doing futures. I would say anything really that you could afford. Anything that you could afford to risk is a good amount. There's no like specific amount that I recommend you like have as a set amount for you, but whatever you feel comfortable risking. Obviously with Robinhood, if you're doing options, it's a little bit, you know, more on the side of risky, but if you're doing shares, then the shares a little bit more passive. You just buy in, wait, be patient. It's just fundamental analysis that matters the most, really. It's just understanding the basics and the fundamentals. Depending on how it rejects here, I might target $1,000 instead of the 700, and then we'll see. If it breaks the 32 down right there, it'll be awesome. Broke the first 30, so can we see continuation to the second 30? Come on, gold. Good selling pressure, just no follow through yet. $1,000 would be down to here. Yeah, I'll do it down to there. Just secure 1,000 on this position. I'll do it 1 to 2. SL will go to break even once we break that hourly 2 down.
Yeah, I hate trading Fridays though, to be honest. Like, Thursdays, Fridays are like my worst days.
I do not like Friday trading, to be honest. Friday is like the worst. But yeah. Friday is the honestly, I'm gonna be real, like Friday is the freaking worst day to trade, in my opinion. But some weeks I've had like, wow, like insane, you know, insane Fridays on. I'm like, whoa, this is beautiful, you know. Some weeks I'm like, fuck this. I hope so, yeah. Let's see if we can get the 1-to-1 right here, and then just a fucking immediate buyback. Why are we buying back? For what? Bro. Go ahead.
Come on, we broke it 2 down on 30. We should be pushing down.
Yeah, it's just so slow, bro. It's so freaking slow. It's so annoying how slow it is. Broke a 32 down, so I'm going to get rid of this because that's not important anymore. This is not important as well. Now we just need the hourly break. There it is. Can we get it? Can we break the hourly 2 down?
I mean, the good part about this trade is we might stay up till Fajr. So
Yeah. So we could pray and then, you know.
together.
Yeah, pray as a family, yeah.
I'm gonna be right back real quick.
This is legit the slowest, like, I've ever seen GC move during Asia, yo. Asia gold moves insane, but this is the slowest I've ever seen it move. I might go break even on this here. Seriously, bro? This makes my head hurt, bro. Come on, gold. Oh, and Q setting up for shorts. NQ is setting up for shorts. Just working around my stop loss for now, just trying to see where I want to put it the best spot that I could put it in, to be honest. That's all. 15-minute, the 5-minute time frame, like there's no adjustment that I could really go with that has a good, other than just having it here. I don't see a clear stop loss placement right now. I mean, unless we go to 1-to-1, then I will go ahead and just break even it. But you know what? I will be greedy and I'll put my stop stat right here. Put a break even here, guys. I'm gonna be greedy a little bit with this position, just because NQ is setting up to go shorts.
Yo,
Yo, what's going on?
still in that trade?
We're still in here.
I'm still at the gym. I just got out right now. I had to post a quick video about the trade that was taken last night on that session.
This might stop me at break even here. Bye, I traded against you lot. Boom, you dead. Huh? English, please. With the whenever you traded against me, I'm hoping you made some money off of you trading against me right now. I don't know how that would work, but I hope so. I would suggest you go to a nearest community college, enroll in a nice English class, and yeah, get to working, brother. It helps out a lot sometimes, you know. Good boy's crazy, yo. Good boy going break even? Why you call me a good boy, bro? I need it to dump. That's what I'm saying, bro. There's our 1-to-1, maybe? Here we are testing the same lows again. After this, after this hour closes over here, it's going to be the slowest price action ever. So I don't want compound inside bars on this hourly. I want to see us reject, break them out the bars range, and then we should be in a nice trade down. But here we are, waiting. Bro said go to college. Seriously, bro, go to school. School's good for you, man. Whatever gold wants to do, it wants to do. We're break even here, so if it wants to continue rejecting, it would be awesome. If it wants to continue pumping, oh well. We are at a break even. I'm willing to let go of the little tiny profits that could have secured maybe. I'm willing to personally let go of that. I don't mind that. But I do want to see a rejection. I want to see us continue plummeting, break it 2 down on the hourly time frame. We have 15 more minutes for this. To break that would be awesome. And then, yeah, once it breaks this hourly 2 down, it would be good. If we don't, we get stopped out of break even and we move on to the next trade or something in life. You know, we'll see if there's anything else to take. Maybe a job application. Yeah, maybe a job application will just get, you know, go to McDonald's nearest by one and then, you know, just drop our applications in. I'm gonna go grab a drink real quick. I'll be right back. This is taking forever anyway. Okay. Hi. Back. Fuck is this? I was watching on my phone to see if you guys could hear. You guys can hear a lot actually. Let me make this slower. Hold on, let me see this. Hello, hello. You guys can hear a lot of background noise. It's kind of annoying. This is whoa. Okay. Doji on the 15 here. I'll move my stops a little bit higher. I don't want to see that. Break it 2 up. Let's just break it 2 down. Continue plummeting here would be nice. Let's see. Direction would be nice over here. Yeah. Hello? Where's Z? Where's Mo? Why is it just mute? Let's go, baby boy. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm opening my fucking amino energy hydration drink because I'm getting tired of this price action, yo.
My car's too loud to be on
Uh-huh. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Not like most cars.
Yeah. Bougie ass, you know? Damn. Can we follow through then? If you're showing this kind of aggression, follow through. Validate the setup by continuing to push down. Break the hourly 2 down. And that's it. That's all I need. Break the magnet. Would go ahead and, you know. Bro. The aggression is there, but there's just not follow through. T, bring out the hammer. I got you. Where's the fucking hammer? Give me the hammer. Is it here? I need a hammer. There's the hammer. Boom. No, the other way, bro. Bro, this hammer's not hammering. Yo, this hammer's not hammering. This hammer's not hammering, guys. Oh, there we go. Maybe if I move it down a little bit more right here. I gotta work with it, yo. I gotta work with it. Hold on. Okay, right there. That's a good edge right there. There we go.
Oh, who's hammering this down?
Me, I'm trying to like hammer it. By the way, go break even, Mo. I know you didn't probably go break even. Bro. There, look. The hammer. Boom, 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 boom.
Come on, man. Come on. Here, everybody hammer together. I'll put the unicorn. I'll put everything. We need you to put the soap.
Nope, not this. Wait. Make a bigger hammer. This 5 minute, this next 5 could stop us. Yeah, whoever stops above the 15-minute high. If it wants to push up, then we're out.
Wait, are you break even or?
Yeah, I'm like above the 15-minute high right here. Securing a little bit, just the fees, whatnot. Come on, gold.
I got the biggest hammer known to man.
This hammer's not working, yo. My hammer's broken.
Oh, my hammer's working. My hammer's working.
There we go.
Oh, my hammer's working. My hammer's working.
Keep hammering, guys. It's almost there. Keep hammering it. Keep hammering.
Guys, I'm about to bring a real hammer. Start hammering on monitor.
Keep hammering. Go lower time frame and hammer it.
Oh shit, is it because I'm on a higher time frame? Oh my god, where'd my hammer go? My hammer these pop.
Yo, hammer. Yo. This is the technical analysis that we all should be trading right here. Hammer. There we go. Next 3 popped open. Let me see the 5. 3 minutes left. Go. We need a 3 minute. The 3 minute just opened, so we gotta push it down. Go. Go. Yes, go down. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Here, bring it down a little bit more now. Go down. More. Go down more. You fuck asshole. Go more. More. My hammer's having technical difficulties. Why did you redeem it? Come on. Hammer. Come on. A little bit more. There we go. Bring it down. Pause, yo. I'm new to this, bro.
Okay, here's that push back up. Here's that push back down. Here's that push back.
No, Hammer. What are you doing, Hammer? What are we doing? Down, 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 down. Oh my
Maybe the smaller
god.
the hammer, the more, you know.
The hammer. No, it should be the bigger the hammer. Here, I'll make it bigger. The hammer is not working, guys.
Oh my god, if I get stopped out, you're good. No. Hold on, I'm about to show you how big my hammer is.
Oh, this hourly has 7 more minutes. Oh shit.
Oh wow, we've been in this trade for nearly an hour now.
I mean, yeah, if this 30-minute closes bullish, I do want to be out, to be honest. Alright, I'll just keep hammering it. Where's the... I need a bone. Maybe a bone would work.
Wait, you know, put a bone, then put a dog on that bone. Like under.
Bone stands for bone... I'm not gonna say it.
Boner?
Yo, I don't want to get banned on TikTok, yo. I don't know what they be taking to the heart.
Swear, I think I've streamed like 3 times already. I've gotten like 100 restrictions.
We have a 15-minute inside after a doji. I love it. I love it. WPA. Boring. Oh my god, this is so boring. Have faith. I have faith. I have faith. And literally a couple ticks off, and that's it. We get stopped. It's legit like a couple ticks off of it. Our stop loss right here, look. Have my stops above that 15-minute high. If we want to break a 2 up, then I'm out. And breaks the 2 up, I'm out. Order filled. I'm just kidding. Just kidding, just kidding. Oh my, order filled.
Wow.
It took forever for it to do something. Oh my god. Taking forever. Are you in self skill issue? Yeah, skill issue. That's what it is, bro. Skill issue. Break even on this. I got stopped at a break even on this. Break even. Yeah, the 15-minute was bullish. Like I said, if we want to push a 2 up, then I'm out. So that's why I want to exit that trade. Took forever for this trade to play out, and here we are pushing back up on GC. It's like, bro, what? And Q shorts, guys. Easy, easy. Let's take it easy. Damn, what the fuck? Whoa. I mean, if this closes like that, I would love to try it out for shorts, but let's see how it closes, though. This hourly on NQ closes bearish. Yeah, I'll try it. I'm in Q. I'll try like 2 contracts on, or maybe like 10 contracts on MNQ to push back down for the gap down. But that would have to close bearish, and the 4 hour is not loading up. Why? We are showing some kind of weakness on NQ right here, actually. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie about that. Just don't see any actionable signals for me to take. At least not yet. Depending on how this 5-minute closes, then maybe I would like to try shorts on this NQ to push back down bearish. Maybe I'll do like 10 contracts on NQ shorts. Same thing, risk 500 to make back, or risk 550 on this trade actually. I'm gonna target that low. So if we do have that retracement back down, target this low, would have our stops above the side. That would be barely like a 1 to 2. So I could have a 1 to 2 on this and still be solid of a trade, but do I want to have my stops all the way up here? Here. I don't know. 2 more minutes for this to close. Breaks the 2 down, then I am in. Have a limit sell. Let's see. 30 minutes here is closing in a little bit, so we just gotta wait. Trades are click and pray. That's more of a personal opinion, brother. That's your personal experience of trading. Massive sell right here on NQ. Massive selling pressure right here on NQ actually. Do we get follow through? Question is, do we get follow through on NQ and we don't on GC? Is insane. But let's see how this 5-minute closes up. We have literally no actionable signals except for this. But I would rather for this 5 to close. All right, 5 minutes here, closing in a little bit. If we can get some kind of nice move down, it would be awesome. I'll probably do 12 contracts on NQ shorts for this. Look at the sells that we're having here, man. It's actually aggressive, and it's nice. 19 more seconds. 19 more seconds. All right. I'm gonna try out shorts here in a second. And 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now.
Order filled.
Have my stops. That's 800. Fuck no, I have no 800 stop loss. Fuck that. 500 is the max I'll take a hit on this. I mean, if we could go down to that gap fill and get 3,000 out of this trade, shit, it would be nice. Let's see it. Maybe. I'll hold this. 15-minute, 2 down. I'm willing to risk 550 on this position, so about here. Nothing more than that. I want to see a 2 down on the hourly. Extremely bearish hourly, so if we can get a 2 down on the hourly, it would be nice. Push back down to these lows. Even this low would be more than enough, to be honest. Shit, if I can get 3K on this trade, I'll be more than happy to take during a Friday. Shit, sign me up. If it stops me, then I'm done for the day. Come back tomorrow. Even though this is really nice for shorts, by the way. Yeah, this is really nice for shorts. Just need to see that follow through maybe. You're 100 years old now? Yeah, I feel that, bro. Same boat with you. I'm on the same boat with you. Breaks the 2 down would be awesome, actually, to even add more or, you know, just reduce risk on the position. Like, ideally, you want to have your stops up here, but do I want to risk $800 on a position? Fuck no. Hell no. I ain't doing that. 500 is like the max I'll take a hit. So the best stop loss is obviously up there, but Would I want to have my stops up here? Not happening. No chances whatsoever. I'm not doing that. But 15-minute high above this, if we break a 2 up on this 15, I do want to be out. So that's more than enough of a stop loss for me. 15-minute highs. I mean, if we don't reject from here, I mean, I don't see the reason for us to, not have that. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how NQ decides here, what it decides it wants to do. If we can get volatility on the push down, it would be awesome. So we'll see. Nice setup though on the hourly, definitely. Who called that? Hold on, it was someone. Kevin Trades right here on YouTube. He made me notice this actually. I would have never noticed this. But W. If we can get that rejection back down on NQ, I mean, should be awesome. But yeah, let's see. Breaks the 15 to up. We want to be out. And then if it breaks the 30 minutes, also 30 minutes is inside. So it breaks the 30-minute 2 down, would be nice too. Which is literally right next to it. So it's not too far off of it to break a 2 down. But yeah, we just have to wait for now. It would be nice. It would be a nice play on NQ right here. And if we are pushing bearish on NQ, I mean, we could really trade it down to the gap fill. So I would like to hold it down to the gap fill. Insane RR multiple, so don't risk as heavy as I am if you want, but yeah.
How much are you risking?
528, or I'm supposed to risk 550, you reminded me. So 555 is the closest I can get it to. So 555 to make back 3,630. Most likely will not hold all the way down to there, like all the full position. So I'll probably secure some at over here. Probably secure, what is this, 11, so I'll secure like 6 back over here, and I'll leave the rest. I'm gonna buy 2 more, or 7. I'll secure 7 over here, leave 4 more down. There it is, broke the 2 downs. Let's see it continue plummeting here. Unless we come down with volume. If we come down with volume, then I will definitely just even get rid of my limit buy. I'll just go break even on it and then just leave it. Just let it go. If we come down with volume though, and I'm saying massive volume. You see how extremely bullish these buys were? That's just exactly the same volume I want to see the volatility come back down. We're up 200 right here already. Wow. If we come down with volume, then I would love to like just let it go and just kind of leave it till TP. But if we don't, then yeah, obviously not. I'm good. Broke the 15, broke the inside bar 2 down. So this is so far confirming the direction for us. Do we get follow through on this hourly break is the question, because this is the mother bars range technically. This is the whole mother bars range. So if we get that retracement back down, we break the mother bars. It would be insane actually. It would be an insane move. This would be an insane move. I would give this setup maybe again, still a B, maybe a B minus, something like that. In ratings because it's London/Asia, but yeah, hourly setup is definitely there, like 1000% nice for shorts. I would love to take this any day of the week. Again, if we come down with volume, I'm definitely going to get rid of my limit buys.
Now we're dumping on GC again.
No good. Oh yeah, we're coming down with volume here. All right, I'm gonna get rid of my limit buy. I'm gonna let this go down. If we're coming down here with volume, I would love that, and I will hold this all the way down to take profit. I don't mind that. I'm risking 500 to make back 3,000, and that's more than valid for me, to be honest. Even if you're risking $100, you're gonna make back what on this trade? Like 1,000 some change. So what would this be? A 1 to 6. If this wants to retrace back down to these lows, would be awesome for this gap down. Would be nice. Would be amazing for NQ right here. Would secure $3,000 with you guys, and then, you know, I'll probably do a giveaway with this 3,000. I'll probably request it here today on live, and I'll do a giveaway on Discord. Maybe give away 2 MacBooks or something.
I know what would be a better giveaway.
What would be a better giveaway? Don't say nothing sus, bro. Do not say.
Okay.
Do not. Okay.
Nah,
All right.
it wasn't anything sus. It would just be like, it's like a sculpture of your face or something. Like a sculpture.
Oh, sure.
I know people want that.
Giveaway OnlyFans subscription. Oh, okay, bro. All right. I'm not doing a giveaway. Never mind. I'm not. It's okay. Never mind.
Oh my god, this.
Came down with nice volume here with the rejection, so I want to see it continue. I might even hold this overnight if it, you know, lets us. Our stop is in a good level. I mean, I was really hoping for a tighter SL, but until we come down to the 0.5 of this whole range, then I'll probably move my stops as candles high and just let this ride out, because I do want to take the risk on this position. We have a gap. We also have the low right here, which we opened up with extreme volume. We have news, 21722.5. We have news in our favor. We have gap down. We have, a gap up, sorry, right here on NQ, which we should come back down to fill. We have an hourly beautiful CRT. You want to call it CRT, call it CRT. Just an inside bar, filled 2 up, 2 down. Showing exhaustion by buyers, by the way. This is what I mean by that. So it's a beautiful setup again, but I'll still give it a B just because it's Asia/London, not New York. That's the only reason, but yeah. So if we print it down to there, it'll be awesome. We'll get that retracement back down. We could take $3,000, 3,600. Even 3,000 is 3,500 is solid, to be honest. So I'll just put it here in the middle of the gap. Take that, walk away for the day with a decent amount of profits, and you know, we call it from here. Look at the cells. Look at the selling pressure right here. Look. You see that? Look at that sell. Look at that sell. Look at the sell pressure. We just want that to continue. Otherwise, if we didn't have that volatility from the sells, I would have definitely never done. I would have never done this. I would have never done this. Massive sell-off right here. Massive sell-off. Whoa.
Beautiful selling pressure at the
Whoa.
See, I've been calling shorts on NQ for ever since I woke up today. Keep dumping, keep dumping, keep dumping, keep dumping.
Guys, keep in mind, as fast as this can dump, it's as fast as it can go up. Keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind.
Guys, I'm letting every emotion play.
Don't let your emotions take control of you. Manage the position. Be okay with what's about to happen. If price step back in off of this supply we have, right, or demand zone we have over here, just, you know, the setup is there for us to take. We're here. Let's take it. But, like, you know, chill and see how we do. Mo, I need you to secure some profits whenever you have the chance to. I know you're gonna get excited. Oh shit, fuck this, let's get it more.
I might full port. What am I now? Dude, you have such a good entry, bro. I wish I was here.
You weren't?
Nah, bro. My dad was yelling at me.
Oh, W pops. W dad. He's telling you, stop gambling, son. Get to work.
On God. Not joking. What am I saying?
We are tapping into a fair value gap right here. Keep that in mind.
Fair value gap is very valuable.
Fair value gap. Hourly fair value gap. Hourly fair ASMR of what?
Eating.
Yeah, no, I do not want that.
Damn, how's bro up 670? How much did you risk, bro?
11 contracts on MNQ.
No, no, hash the guy who just sent me.
Oh,
10 in the queue.
oh, W. W's. Oh shit, nice. Good work, bro. Is this an A plus setup? No. Just because of the volume, again, because we're not in a session where it's like, for example, New York, where there is volatility, there's massive volume. I don't consider this an A plus. No. I want to be rich quick with trading. Please advise. My best advice for you is you're not gonna be rich with trading quick. It's gonna take a fat minute for you to even make money, bro. You're gonna blow so many accounts. You're gonna lose so much money for you to make back a little bit of money. So compared to your, again, at the end of the day, like trading is it's a difficult thing. Like I said in the video today, for anybody who watched it, it's something that is difficult. It's not easy. If it was easy, everybody else would be doing it. No one would be, going to school, whatnot. But in my opinion, I would rather bet on me than a college degree. And that's just personal preference. I only got a college degree because my mom is Middle Eastern and she needs to see some kind of degree in your pocket for her to be happy. So for me to make her happy is to make myself happy as well. So that's the only reason I got my degree. Other than that, I would have never went to school, bro. Come on, NQ. What are we doing? I'm looking at different time frames for a possible reversal if it wants to reverse against us. I just want to make sure that we're fine. But ideally, you want to have your stops right here, right now. So once we start trading back down a little bit more in the next 30, then I'll have my stops right up here. For now, it's at 500, which is how much I'm willing to lose on this position right now. There's a nice hammer right there. I want to see us project from it, not push up from it, which would be annoying. But yeah, we just gotta wait for now.
VC dump, bro? Are you serious? Wow, VC dump, bro. What the fuck?
GC's dumping like massively, or
VC dump like crazy, bro.
let me unlink this. Hold on. But GC is the setup for GC shorts is not playing out perfectly, so I'm surprised that it did dump. I'm still in the shorts for NQ. I'm still on the setup. The setup is nice. I would love to take it. So here, I'll make sure that TikTok is able to see the levels that I'm selling and buying in by moving this a little bit more to the left right here. There. Yeah, I still see a massive sell-off on NQ. I want to see that rejection but down. Yo, words, TikTok live. Yo. Be careful. Like, TikTok is very sensitive. It's Friday too. It's a sell. I mean, yes, but gold is rejecting massively right now, which can cause NQ to go up. A what? An AMP $300. Like, as in like a $300, and then what do you mean by MP? What's AMP?
I don't know, some guy said that AMP lets you open an account for 300.
I mean, yeah, why not? I could try it. I don't mind that. Doesn't sound bad to me.
Push back up.
That's fine with me. I'm not stressing that push back up. The hourly is extremely nice. Yeah, I'm still in this, bro. The hourly is extremely nice for a bearish move. I'm still interested in this pushing back down. And the 4 hour, I want to see us come back down wick. Because again, we have bearish news, all this. 21887.5. $15? You crazy, bro? 11? Yeah, be careful. No, don't size in that heavy. I just don't like how gold is dumping on gold right now. It's massive dump on gold right now. Let's check the hourly real quick. Yeah, the hourly time frame break it 2 down. It's flushing right now. Gold is flushing. Whoa. Gold is flushing, yo. Would NQ flush with gold? That's what I'm like would be impressed about right now. Yeah, we've seen it happen before. Sometimes it happens, but that makes the setup lower probability, by the way. Yeah, massive push right back up. Yeah, which is why I'm thinking I'm gonna move my stops to right here, 250. If we break at 15.2 up, I want to be out 30 minutes. If it switches back direction, yeah, I'm still in shorts on this. I still really like this for shorts. I don't want to move my stop loss. I still really like this for shorts. I would take the setup any day of the week, bro. I would take the setup. Yeah, I would. I'm still shorts on this. I'm still shorts on this. Yeah. Like I want to like move my stops tighter, but like I'm gonna be honest. Like this is beautiful for shorts. This 5 minute, yes, sure, it's a nice 5 minute push right back up with a hammer, push right back up. Obviously, 1000% with you. But the aggression that we saw from sellers, 1, 2, I still see that bearish move with the hourly time frame and also the 4 hour time frame. We still have a gap to the downside. It is still a Friday and we still have news in our favor. So if this setup does not play out, then I mean, that's something I'm okay with. I'm okay with risking it for that setup. The setup is still nice. The setup is still valid for me, so I still want to play this shorts. It's just like sometimes your thoughts let you, kind of, they get in your head and it's like, am I talking out of emotion right here? Or am I talking out of logic on the screen? And that's what I'm afraid of. That's sometimes like, is it my ego talking right now or is it me? Is it actually me just like being normal and just, actually thinking that this is a good setup to go through? Now, gold rejecting massively gives me that little impulse of like, fuck, like, do I want to be in this? But the setup on the hourly is beautiful. Like, it's a freaking amazing setup on the hourly right there. Which most likely even like any session I would have, This guy isn't a trader. He never takes profits and lets winners go to losers, always going for home runs instead of taking consistent profit. No, the difference is I'm not using what you trade. It doesn't make me not a trader. But if you think that way, that's your personal opinion. And thanks for that opinion because no one cares about it. But we'll just talk about that another day. But just because I don't do what you do, that does not make me a bad trader or not a trader. So, and if you don't feel like watching, then you're not like, I did not grab anything pew pew and put it to your head. Don't say the name. Do not say the name, Mo. I did not grab a pew pew and put it to your head and say watch my YouTube video or watch my TikTok or watch anything. You are at your free will over here. But guess what? You are at your free will to also hate, which is crazy to me. Like that people join to just hate. So please, keep in mind that just because someone that doesn't do what you do doesn't make them a bad person. That doesn't make me a bad person. That doesn't make me whatever you want to call it. Because I'm right here doing this live when I don't really need to, you know? Yeah, you are so free to leave at your free will, and you know, you're free to stay. You can keep hating, and I'm fine with that. It helps the algorithm, so thank you. But man, dude. I'm sad, man, what this world has come to. Oh god. You sold on NQ, I'm thinking, maybe? I hope not, Noodles. Did you sell on NQ? Ah, shit. Don't tell me you sold on NQ, bro. I pray that you didn't. Can we get that sell-off on NQ? He's so rich and profitable from trading that he's on YouTube watching random people, basically. And you know what's crazy? Like, the majority of the time, like, those people, like, they will leave the moment you book profits. They will leave. They won't stay and watch you because they know that, like, they look dumb as hell at that point. It's like, oh shit, I look stupid. Let me leave before I get, like, an absolute humiliation ritual on my ass. So they immediately leave. But if you lose a trade, they're the first ones that jump in. They're like immediately ready to type out, oh, thank you for the liquidity. Oh, this was an obvious longs. Oh, this was a little push. Yeah, we knew this was gonna push up back up. Oh, it's like an immediate thing, you know. It's like, yeah, but sometimes you just can't control people. I learned that the hard way. At first I used to take this stuff like, oh, these people, I'm like, bro, I crash out. I used to crash out. Now it's like, yeah, next. On NQ? Yeah, if it closes bearish, it would be awesome. It would be awesome for shorts. But still, I'm really attracted to this hourly, and 30 minutes is a little concerning if it closes like this. But we'll have to see how the 15 closes, and yeah, we'll see from there. Yeah, with a push down immediately. Oh, I just want to see volume on the way down. That's the only thing that's like, you guys saw the volume over here off this rejection. I want to see that same volume pushing down. The only reason I'm saying that is because it tells me that there's selling pressure, and that's why, like, even on DOM, you guys can see that here. Like, you have a decent amount of selling that comes in immediately and projects price back down. But I want to see volume with the push down, not just a little tiny move down, move back up, you know, kind of consolidation, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's really it. I'm just really hoping that I'm saying this and I'm being truthful about it. I don't want to be off of an impulsive move or like off of, like, you know, kind of ego talking right now, you know. Yeah. I'm on here because it popped up on my page. You're on here because you need help from an unprofitable YouTube. Michael, remember that. Okay. Have a good day, man. You seem like you have a lot of free time. You typing all of that.
What? Who's hating, bro? I wanna see this.
It's on YouTube. Some child. Yeah. Been watching you for weeks, man, and have learned a lot. Thank you for all these lives. It helps. No problem, bro. Yeah, I'm just really hoping that it's not my ego. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I'm just hoping I'm not letting my ego get in the way right here and not noticing that possible reversal or possible, you know, push back up, etc. But that is something I can't notice until I take an L or maybe even get another perspective from somebody else. But this 30-minute is closing a little concerning, and the 15, if it closes this way, I'm not gonna like that as much. I'm trading in Q or MNQ. I want to put this back up to full screen. Gold is interesting right now.
No, because price action was so good earlier this week. I don't know what's happening. What's going on?
Yeah, but it's been bad. It's been horrible. This 15 closes Momo, it would be nice. Yeah, momentum, Momo shooter, Momo hammers.
Yeah, I know.
Like Mo, like you know, Momo. You get it, cool.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, so
Let's get a better close on.
yeah, I just need a nice close on the 15. It would be awesome. It would be amazing. It would be an amazing play here. Just have to be patient. Let your levels do the work for you. As soon as you enter a trade, it's about how you manage your emotions. Because sometimes people will see the profits. Like right now, I'm seeing $400, which is technically Top Step's, $200 and up profit target. But for me to scale my account and move up past this point, which I'm already at, I need to obviously go ahead and, make sure that I'm, like, kind of like, I'm letting that side of me go away. Not, man, yeah. $15 needs to close like this. Would be awesome. Would be amazing. Do we have any news that came out so far, or nothing yet?
Yeah, we had a red folder, but didn't do shit.
No, I'm talking about the Iran-Israel thing. It's 707, last thing that came up. To Israel security circles tell Iran international that joint attack on with the U.S. against Fordo nuclear facility is still. An attack could be underway as early as Friday night, the sources added. Okay. Could be as early as Friday night. Interesting. Seemingly interesting. Interesting. Okay, 15 closed bearish. Let's see if we can get that 2 down. It'd be awesome.
We just followed through on this big too, bro. I don't like that pushback.
30 did not close the worst, to be honest. And then, yeah, we just kind of got to wait for now. But saying no greed is different than actually no greed. Yes, basically. That's the problem with me right now. No greed. Am I being greedy, or am I being technical over here? Am I actually am I actually taking the trade as it should be? So that's what I'm thinking in my head right now. But we do have a gap down. So it's like, am I being greedy, or am I actually going just for this gap down right here? And I'm just trying to picture my emotions. So I'm sorry I'm talking out loud, but this is just happening with me right now because, I mean, it's not a little bit of money. It is 3,500 off of one trade. So is it me being greedy right here and thinking that this is, I'm just trying to be as honest as I could with you guys. Honestly, that's all, bro. I'm just trying to be real. That's it, bro.
Still doesn't look bad.
30 doesn't look bad.
Actually, it's pretty good.
The 15 doesn't look bad, yo. You look stressed out. I am, dude. This is a freaking stressful thing, bro. I'm balding. Look at my hair, my guy. Nice. I mean, if we get some kind of Iran news right now, this would plummet. This would plummet, bro. But yeah. You in already? Yeah. I've been in, yeah.
Everybody just sold. I can't believe market did.
These are the stats right now on the account right now so far. Yeah, cut is cooked. If I am, then I don't know. It's okay. I'm not stressing it, but at the same time I am stressing it, if that makes sense. Like, man. It is showing extremely bearish candles. It is a nice close on the hourly time frame as well. It is a nice push down on the hourly time frame. There's volatility for sellers right now. GC is pushing up, pushing down, sorry, which is annoying. But, and Q is still a nice setup for that. And Q is still. Yeah, if we stayed in GC shorts, we would have booked right now, right? Okay, GC could be coming back up, climbing back up for that possible reversal back up right now. Maybe. Which would drag NQ down, which would be nice for us because we're in shorts, obviously, so it would be nice. But do we get that is the real question. Or do we break a 2 up on this 15 and come back to break even? GC's pumping, yo. Still hasn't picked that decision yet. I'll need that 2 down right here on this 15. That's the guy that's hating on me? You're joking. Oh my, please go watch TJR. You're in the wrong channel, bro. Please go to TJR. I don't want to. Please, you're in the wrong channel, man. Oh, what's his name? I need to ban him, bro. Get out of here, man. I'm sorry. You gotta go, bro. How do I ban? No, don't add him as. I'm trying to add him as moderator. No, put user in timeout. 24 hours. You get 24-hour timeout for being a bad boy. Get some sleep. It's bedtime. Fuck. Why? Nice. Ha. No way. Any advice on passing a 50K combine? Honestly, bro, just trade it like you would trade your normal account. Trade it like you would trade a normal account. First. Second of all is learn that prop firms are not structured in a way for you to consistently book profits on. So as the moment you're able to request the payout, to request that freaking payout, get it. You see, so many people I've noticed try to build that ego up, and they're like, you know what? Nah, I'm not gonna say what Lorenzo just said on there because I will get definitely banned. But don't say it out loud. Hold on. So basically, yeah, just treat it like you would trade a normal account. 1, 2. Focus on price action. Don't look at all these different concepts and whatnot. Just focus on learning price action, learning how candles are working, what they're telling you, what they're not telling you, that kind of thing, and that's it. Really, that's all you really need. I mean, I'm not the best teacher. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm sorry. I'm just not the best teacher. I'm not even the best trader. So I'm neither. I'm just me. Yeah, fuck a buffer, take a payout, bro. So I guess that's my advice. I'm sorry I'm not the best teacher like you were expecting out of me, or didn't get the best advice out of me, but just trying to keep it real, bro.
You know how much times I got stopped out these shorts?
Huh, what? Why?
I got stopped out these shorts. No, not this. I'm re-entered back in 1.400. I got stopped out the short once to break even, and then once to stop loss, and now I'm playing in 39.
W,
I
man.
see shorts. I really see shorts.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah, I really genuinely actually do see shorts here.
After that fat push up, bro, we need it. We just don't.
Yeah, but I want to see volume. If I don't see the volume on the rejection right here, then I'm probably gonna sell 15 back at this 1-to-1.
Sell 15 back.
I mean, sell 7 back over here at my break-even point. I could go break-even here realistically, but am I going to? No. I want to see volume pushing down. That'd be awesome, but so far this is just another bounce here, maybe. Unless we reject. Yeah, lower low. We need a nice lower low. Yeah, honestly. Take payout. The moment you're able to take a payout, take the fucking payout, bro. Are we seriously doing another hammer here?
I like to build at least $5,000 for my first payout.
Why are we forming another hammer here? Is gold pushing down? No, not yet. So why isn't Q doing that? I need a lower low.
Just top 10 people at the bottom. Say thumbs up. Next 150.
150 you said?
Yeah, bro, I activated 5 accounts and shit. It took 800 or like 900.
What the hell? Can we do something? Bull stubborn, yeah. This is a buy. I don't know what you're saying, man. Explain, because I genuinely, I'm not even trying to troll or anything. I don't know what you're saying. What's good to watch price action vids, guys? Videos, nothing. Just read the Candlestick Bible. It's a good book. Trading is not easy, man. It's really not. This is the third time you repeat it. It's not easy. Yes, we get it. Are you seriously? Are you serious? You selling? Yes, I'm serious. I am selling July. I'm saying what's the longs? What is the reason? Like, don't just say not short, bro. What's the reason? What's the reason behind your analysis? What's your analysis telling me? What's the reason to go break even? Oh my god, these guys. People just be saying on fucking like hi Z. What's going on, bro? I'm in shorts on NQ off this hourly.
Still?
Yeah, it's 18 more minutes until this next 4-hour pops open. Guys, if you're not giving me a reason to not go shorts or not go longs, then just explain the reason why you're saying that. Because I have my reasons to go shorts, but you're not just like, please, you know? Right? That's what I'm seeing, right? And we have a gap down. We have a freaking news again with us. But then these guys on TikTok are spamming, bro, longs, bro. It's longs, bro. It's not shorts, bro. What's the reason?
I'm already in this. It's later, but
Since later?
it's later. Does that make sense? It's later.
The next buy side liquidity will stop you. I don't believe in liquidity. I mean, not that I don't believe in liquidity itself, but the liquidity sweeps that you know, I don't believe in those. No, if I'm not saying this in any offensive way. I'm not just sorry, but you know, I just don't like. Yeah, no reason to the moon. What's to the overall market sentiment is a buy. What are you seeing, brother? What are you exactly seeing? That's what I'm saying. Like, what are you guys seeing? Please. Yeah, that's it's bearish. What are you exactly seeing? Look at this hourly. Look at this hourly, dude. And inside bar broke two up, failed that directional move to the top side, meaning buyers are exhausted. Double top over here, push back down, broke it to down, confirm that direction. Now we're pushing back down. We also have what? Gap on the 5-minute time frame right here, even lower time frames. So you have a gap down right here. We have news in our favor too. We have the DOM showing us extremely crazy orders sitting like all the way down. It's so it's like what I'm not seeing. If there's bulls, I want to know so that I can get out of the trade. But I don't know. I don't see it. No, not you know. You're unprofitable. It's okay, bro. Don't fucking. Is bro in short? Yes, I am in short. What the fuck is a butterfly pattern? What's a butterfly pattern? There's butterflies in the market now? The only way I would close this is if we have like a close inside on this hourly. And even then, I'm still like, I would probably just move my stops to this high and that's it. That's the only thing that I would, move my stop down to. But I genuinely don't see what you guys are seeing. So then if it goes down now and it goes down to here, none of the guys that are like, rage bait longs, you guys won't pivot back to shorts, right? If it does go down I'm just curious, just asking. If it comes down to here, right? We're not going to just say, "Oh, this was a sell, bro. It was an obvious sell." Let me take screenshots of the chat. Maybe it would be good, because I'm just genuinely confused on what people's analysis are telling them, how they're even seeing this shit. But okay, I don't know. I'm genuinely not seeing what, I don't know. I could be bugging. I could be tripping. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, honestly. I could really pretty much be wrong.
Nah, it's not you are wrong.
Oh, okay.
It's long, bro.
It's longs? Okay.
Yeah.
So exit the position I'm in?
No.
Oh.
Just stay in it so I can make money off of it.
Bet. W. Good mentor right here. Yeah, I see that support that you're talking about in the 30-minute time frame, Formula Red Forex. But I don't see us holding that, as we have pushed extremely bullish for a bearish market right now so far, with NQ and Iran and Israel being extremely, what the fuck was that? But yeah, with the bearish news that we have, I see NQ is overextended right here. I don't see this as a buy. I don't see a reason to buy back up all of these highs. So again, I could be wrong, but yeah. I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. What is this?
Crazy.
Hi guys.
So,
Are we still crashing out on TikTok? I don't know. Papi chulo. Okay, sure, bro. We're gonna be holding this trade for a pretty long time from the looks of it. Hourly's closing up here in 9 more minutes. If we could close bearish, would be awesome. The 30 minutes is closing inside so far. Not bullish, but not bearish as well. So it's like not the best close at the same time, not the best, you know, whatever. So it's just something that I want to see kind of. I want to see the volume. Like I said at first, the volume with the rejections off of here, but so far not enough volume pressure for us to push down. Even on this 30 minute to push up 2 down would be nice, but yeah. Hmm. What do you mean? Yeah, there's some people asking right now saying Z go live. I'm in 11 contracts on MNQ right now. Where's the butterfly guy? I don't know, bro. Like the moment they see a green candle, it's a bull flag. It's a butterfly. It's head and shoulders. It's this and it's this. And the moment they see a red candle, oh, it's not. It's respecting this. It's doing this. It's doing that. It's doing this. Pick a side. Is MGC rejecting? Bro, gold is rejecting. Not the best. Not the best. MNQ. Not the best. Because if gold is rejecting, then NQ is going to push back up and that's going to stop us. 7 more minutes for this hourly to close. Just got to kind of wait for now. Yeah. Yeah. If gold is dropping, NQ would be moving up. And that's annoying. But again, I have to respect the levels that I bought and sold in. And I have to respect my stop loss level, my take profit level, and you know, just be patient. I could move. TP is like, really, I want to secure it here. But I just got to respect it for now. For now, I'm just waiting. If I don't see any volume pushing down on the next hourly, then I am most likely going to just secure a majority at this low if we come down here. Secure 5 or 6 over here and leave the rest. No, I'm not targeting these lows, bro. That would be insane. But if we can come down to here, then, you know, I would hold the majority of it. But yeah. Let's see. Turbo stop. My stop loss is at 21913. Oh, you're saying like, oh, it's gonna get hit. Yeah, maybe. Again, I ain't stressing it. I still see a setup for shorts. I'm still in for shorts. So yeah. Yeah, just GC dropping is a little annoying, to be honest, with this 15-minute closing. A little bit bullish right here. 30 minutes is a little concerning. I've been live on TikTok for how many hours now? God. 2 hours? Bro, damn. That's crazy work. Below A17 it dies. Yeah, I mean, if we can get below, man, it would be nice. It would be awesome. Hmm?
I took it out. Took it out? Yeah. it out for 300 win. And I'm talking live right now. So.
What's that? What's that sound?
Oh shit, I need to study for my exam tomorrow. God, bro.
What sound?
You guys hear that?
No.
Oh, I'm a reach.
Is hearing the sirens.
This candle closes bullish on the hourly, then I'll get out. But other than that, I don't see any reason for me to get out, to be honest.
Alright. We are live.
4 hours closing in 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see it. Oh my god. I might end the TikTok live that way I could just chill with you guys on Discord. And I could speak freely a little bit. But we'll see how this trade plays out because I do want to upload a video on TikTok, so I kind of want to let this trade play out, and then maybe I'll end the live. It's butterfly pattern long. I don't know about butterfly, bro. What's butterfly pattern? Butterfly pattern trading.
There you go. There it is.
So I think butterfly, basically you put a butterfly on the screen. Where's the butterfly? Hold on. Where's the butterfly? I need to find butterfly. Where's butterfly?
Alright.
I can't seem to find the butterfly, sorry. I know we have an emoji for butterfly, but I just don't know where it's at. The spider, this, oh, there it is. Butterfly. It's butterfly pattern right here, guys. That's butterfly. Okay, butterfly. Nope. Nope, we got butterflies. Gotta love it, bro. Gotta love it. Yeah. 4 hours closing in 1 more minute. Uno más. Una más. 50 seconds. What's your confidence on the shorts? The confluences is pretty simple. Like I said, I just see this hourly as an inside bar, consolidated, pushed out, failed that directional move to the top side, right? And we immediately rejected, pushed the 2 down. Now I want to see us continue to push the 2 down here. Also, at the same time, we have what? News for Iran versus Israel thing, the whole scenario right now that's going on. NQ should be bearish, not bullish. Another reason for that is also this right here. This, I want to see us come back down to fill this area. I mean, that could happen tomorrow in New York, or could happen now for London for today. So I see that. And then the only issue that is like bothering me is GC just with this insane rejections right now. After it stops us, by the way. Kind of annoying, but yeah. There's a new 4 hour here. Let's see, this is the new 4 hour time frame. Kind of want to move my stops down to this candle's high. but I'll wait until we break it 2 down. But I will reduce my risk to 500 on this position only. I'm risking just the amount because I would ideally want to have my stops up here. That's the best stop losses. Like I want to have it up here, so above this. But you know, since I can't do that, I'm not gonna risk $800 on a position or 1,000. I'll just risk $500 and look for a better entry. But yeah, if this trade takes like another 30 minutes to play out, then man, I'm gonna crash the fuck out, to be honest. I don't think it will work above the previous 4 hour. I think it would push back down. That's the idea. I think the new 4 hour is gonna push it. It's gonna push down, then not push up. So we'll see. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, butterfly. My bad. Break even. This is boring. Yeah, this is so boring, yo. Yeah, let's see. I mean, if we can book profits on this, bro. Hesh. Be dope. Would be awesome. What do you see on the DOM? Oh, just look at levels, really. Stop placement is like the worst. I'm not gonna lie. The worst. I'm being very transparent about that. I have the worst stop placement right now so far. But again, the trade I'm already in, so now it's too late for me to, you know, say no to it. Either take profit or sell. I could move my take profits up. Like again, I really want to see us come down to just here. I'm not really trying to go crazy or anything, but I'm happy with where it's at right here. Oh wait, why is my stop loss over here? Hold on. There it is. Why was my stop loss there? Live, yeah, this is live. Yeah, this is live right now. Are you in? Yeah, I've been in, yeah. Now we have this 30-minute inside. Would be awesome if we could break a 2 down. And not a 2 up. Where's the 30-minute high? Right here. That's the 30-minute high right there. Would be amazing if we could break a 2 down. Just lock out, bro. Alright, maybe a magnet? No? Okay. Maybe put a magnet. I'll put magnet for you. I got you. This is the magnet. And I wonder if you know what it means. What it means to find your dreams. I need some music. I wonder at banker high vibrations. What? What the hell? Yeah, I might go end the TikTok live here, guys. Just be on Discord. Hang out with people on Discord, talk with you guys. Or just keep it down here. Just leave it like this. Still waiting. Oh shit, yours is an air traffic control, then had to switch another job to medical. What? That's crazy. That's crazy right there. The fair value gap, yeah. It's reacting from the fair value gap area.
What's the word?
We're just waiting for the word.
Wait, did a butterfly pattern happen yet?
I don't know. I'm still waiting. I have a butterfly right here, just in case it does want to happen.
Sell-off's still there, bro. Sell-off's still there.
I still see a sell,
Like,
yeah.
so indecisive. GC's dumping, or no, it's pumping back up actually. Hammer. Let's push it back up.
This is so boring. This is the 5,000 tick and it's still moving so slow, bro.
Easy, you trying long?
I might just end the TikTok live here, to be honest, and the YouTube, because I'm getting tired now. I want to just chill. I turn off the lights, so let's see. Once it goes back to break even, at least I'll be able to cut the video at break even and just say it was a break even trade or some shit. I don't fucking know. Can it go to break even? And okay, we'll just consider a break even trade for YouTube and TikTok. I'll be live on Discord still. We'll be on here for a little bit longer. Maybe hold this trade overnight. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm just bored of being here. We'll just call it break even and that's it. But yeah, I still see it bearish. I'm still again holding this. So we'll be on Discord. But yeah. Till it breaks this hourly high, I am still more bearish than bullish. So, yeah. Don't leave. I'm just too exhausted to be honest. So no. Alrighty, guys. Take care. See you guys later. TikTok. Let me see. Where is YouTube?